Good morning, everybody. It's Stephen here for Bland Designs, and just a reminder that Stephen and Walter Live will be on today at 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And today's Canada Day, so all my Canadian viewers, happy Canada Day. We're 151. Don't look a day over 150. So what are we going to talk about today? Well, it's kind of a mixed bag of things, as it usually is. We did go down to a place east of us for their artist and whatever you want to call it, arts and crafts market, which is usually a huge affair, and it happens on Canada Day weekend all the time, so we'll talk about that. Found a new quilting store that I was impressed with, and yeah, updates on Mom, and variety of other things. So if you have comments, you have questions, feel free to join the chat when we go live today at 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and we'll talk up a storm. Okay, hope to see you then. Bye-bye.